Introduction to I sound words. Very good morning, children. So today we are going to learn I sound words. I sound words. Write the date 16, 11, 2 and 21. Tuesday. 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 So capital I, small I. I says E. I says E. What's the sound of letter I? E. B, E, B. Bib. B, ib. Now what is I? E. B, B. E, B. Ib. IB is ib. B, ib, bib. Okay? Split reading. B, ib, bib. Or you can read the either way. B-I-B, B, bib. Okay? F, ig, I-G, ig. F, ig, fig. F, ig, fig. P, in, I-N, in. P, in, pin. Pin. Okay? B-I-B, bib. F-I-G, fig. P-I-N, pin. Now what's the first letter here? It's letter B. B plus E equals B. B plus I. Now B plus E is B. D plus E, D. F plus E, Fee. Fi is fee. When you add G here, it becomes fig. When you add P here, it becomes dip. So it depends on the different letters. Okay, the formation will be there. Now, B, E, B. D, E, D. F, E, Fee. G, E, Gi. H, E, He. J, E, G. K, E, Ki. K, E, Ki. L, E, Li. M, E, Mi. N, E, Ni. Ni, Ni. P, E, P. R, E, Ri. S, E, Si. T, E, T. T, E, T. V, E, V. V, E, V. Y, E, Y. Z, E, Z. Let us read aloud. B, E, B. D, E, D, E, D. F, E, Fi. T, E, T. M, E, Mi. P, E, P. S, E, Si. H, E, He. Z, E, Z. Now we'll continue with page number 1717. Words with I sound. Now write the date again. 16/11/2021. Okay, children, write the day and your name. Okay, now let us add. ID, id. ID, id. E, d, id. Correct? E, d, id. So what is ID? ID is id. K plus id is k, id, kid. K-I-D, kid. Kid means small baby. Okay? K, id, kid. L, it, lit. L, it, lid. K, it, kid. L, it, lid. This is ID words. I, G, ig. Ig, ig. Now, d plus ig is d, ig, dig. D, ig, dig. F, ig, fig. F, ig, fig. E, p, ip. E, p, ip. IP, ip. Now, n plus ip. Nip. N, nip. N, nip. N, ip, nip. Now, ip, nip. NIP, nip. Z, ip, zip. Z, ip, zip. E, t, it. E, t. What is the sound of letter I? E. E, right? E, t, it. K plus it, kit. KIT, kit. K plus it, kit. K plus it, kit. S plus it, sit. S plus it, sit. E plus b, ib. E plus b is ib. B plus ib, bib. B plus ib, it's bib. N plus ib, n plus ib, it's nib. N plus ib, it's nib. E plus im. E plus im. D plus im, dim. D plus im, dim. See, d, im, dim. R plus im, rim. R plus im, rim. Got it? E plus n, in. E plus n, in. B plus in, bin. B plus in, bin. B plus in, bin. Okay. B plus in, pin. B plus in, pin. B plus in, pin. Okay, children. Now turn your page number 18. Words with I sound. Let us read aloud. Now you know what is E plus D. E plus D is id. Now all these are id words. Okay. B, id, bid. B-I-D, bid. D plus id, D-I-D, did. H plus id, H-I-D, hid. K plus id, K-I-D, kid. L plus id, L-I-D, lid. M plus id, mid. R-I-D, rid. R plus id, rid. Bit, B-I-D, bit. D-I-D, did. H-I-D, hid. K-I-D, kid. L-I-D, lid. M-I-D, mid. R-I-D, rid. Okay. Now I-G, ig. What is I-G? Ig. B-ig, big. D-ig, dig. F-ig, fig. J-ig, jig. R-ig, rig. W-ig, wig. E plus p, ip. D-ip, dip. H-ip, hip. L-ip, lip. N-ip, nip. S-ip, sip. T-ip, tip. D-I-P, dip. H-I-P, hip. L-I-P, lip. N-I-T, nip. S-I-P, sip. T-I-P, tip. E, t, it. E plus t, it. B, it, bit. F, FIT fit, HIT hit, KIT kit, LIT lit, SIT sit. IB ib. E plus b is ib. BIB bib. B ib bib. F ib fib. N ib nip. R ib rib. BIB bib. FIB fib. NIB nip. RIB rib. IN in. B in bin. D in din. F in fin. P in pin. T in thin. W in win. E plus n in. Okay. BIN bin. DIN din. FIN fin. PIN pin. TIN tin. W in. WIN win. The last one is E plus im. D im dim. H im him. R im rim. S im sim. Okay, so this 3 pages is all about E sound words. Okay, children, it's all about I sound words. Now this is, it's all for your reading. Now take your English classwork. So in our previous class we had recall of A and E sound words, right? And then in our online class we had dictation. So after this, if we had written dictation somewhere else in the last page, then no problem. I hope you all completed A and E sound words. Now we will start with I sound words. Write today's date, 16/11/21, Tuesday. Introduction to I sound words. Okay, children, it's the same pattern, flower pattern. I, the middle letter is I. Fine, it's a flower pattern and this is I. I've written small letter I. S is ID it, IP ip, IB ip, IG ig, IT it, I am im, IN in, IS is. So this one you need to write it in your classwork. And here the next page, children, now previously what all I have shown you, it's only for reading work. So in the classwork 1, 2 and the next page you need to complete. Okay, so this is the 2-letter words of I. Okay, now from I we will see what are the letters can be formed. I, IB ip, ID it, IP ip, IT it, IN in. Then here IG ik, I am im. Okay, so this you should copy. This reading we have already done in the workbook, so we need not do it again. I'll send a photoshot of these pages. Please copy in the classwork. So in the next class we'll be reading this again and we'll have a recap class also. Okay, fine. So this I'll be sending you a photoshot of these 3 pages. The other 3 pages what you saw is from the workbook. So reading is there and this you need to complete in the classwork. Apart from that, yesterday what we learnt, Sam. Okay, that one you need to practice and send it to me. Okay, children, I hope you all understood. I'll see you in the next class. First, you have to read like this. This I sound words is here, two letters. BIB, DID, FI, FI, TIT, MI, me, PIP, SIC, HIE, ZIZ, RI, RE. Then IB, IB, BIB, BIB, FIB, FIB, NIB, NIB, RIB, RIB. So it comes this way. Okay, up to, from top to bottom. Okay children, copy this and finish your work and send it to me. Send your classwork and your reading videos. One is that reading of your textbook, the other one is your phonics reader. Okay, fine. I'll see you in the next class. Take care. Bye bye.